All right, welcome back to another calculator lesson with Mrs. Dupay. We're up to lesson 9 now. You guys are doing just great. Watching the video of the lesson, and then doing the homework. Been coming through really nicely. So here we go today. We're going to multiply and divide with scientific notation and use the calculator to help us along. So the first example, it says find the product. Product, of course, is multiplication. You see the two parentheses here showing that we're multiplying again. The scientific notation, if we have it second, SCI. If we're in flow, which is the regular standard numbers, we want to move over to SCI. Okay, now we're all ready to do the multiplying. We do the parentheses, just like we did with adding and subtracting. 5.5 times 10, caret, and the exponent in this case is a 4, close your parenthesis. Now you can put multiplication here, but you don't really have to because two parentheses next to each other will tell the calculator that you are multiplying. And we type 2 times 10 to the 5th power. When I hit enter, oh, I didn't close my parenthesis. There we go. Now I have my both numbers entered. I hit enter, and it gives it to me in scientific notation. 1.1 times 10 to the 10th power. Now this one's a little different from some of the others that we had looked at where there was only a one-digit number here. So it was the calculator would show 09 or 08 or any other one digit with a 0 in front of it. But here, see, there are the space for two exponents, and it is a 10. You're going to write 10 to the 10th power. All right, so that's multiplying, just like the adding and subtracting, but with the multiplication symbol between it. Now, if I move down here, we could discuss division. And division can look two different ways. It could either be written here as a fraction, which means the numerator divided by the denominator, or we could have it written horizontally just like our multiplication, addition, and subtraction problems have been, where we have the one number being divided by the second number. These two are going to be the same. They both mean to divide. All right, so here we go. We are just going to enter into the calculator. 2.05 times 10. I didn't use my parenthesis. Here's a way to go back and not have to retype everything. You go back with your arrow to where you want to insert second, and see this INS? It's going to be insert, and I can put in the parenthesis without having to retype everything. And times 10 to the 8th power, close my parenthesis. Now here I am going to have to tell it to divide, and it's showing as a slash line, all right, the division. And then we're going to type parenthesis 8.2 times 10, using the caret button again, to the 4th power, and close off the parenthesis for the second number. Hit enter, and our number is 2.5 times 10 to the 3rd. And there's an example of the one-digit number written 03. We're just going to write 10.5 times 10 to the 3rd power. Okay, the 10 doesn't get written tiny like it is on the calculator. And that's how you do multiplying and dividing. Pretty similar to the adding and subtracting. Good luck. Do some more good work. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Bye, everyone.